We're cutting across live to images coming in of protests that are broken out in Rajasthan. These are images of Congress workers staging a protest, against the BJP. This over, a controversy over a BJP leader's comment against Indira Gandhi. These are Congress MLAs, more than 30 of them, who are leading the protest by Congress workers at the Rajasthan Assembly. And this, in fact, after controversy had broken out over a comment that was made on former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, leading to a showdown in the Assembly. And so 6 Congress MLAs were suspended. These are protests over that very issue, over the suspension. Now, the entire controversy, if I were to break down the details for you, it started off with, in fact, the Rajasthan government minister Avinash Gehlot speaking about the government scheme Lakhpati Didi in the Rajasthan Assembly on Friday. And the minister mentioned Aapki Dadi in an alleged reference to Indira Gandhi. This led to an uproar with the opposition leaders asking the speaker to expunge the minister's remark. The speaker refused and the opposition continued the uproar, leading to 6 Congress MLAs being suspended as well. And now these protests are by Congress workers over the suspension of their MLAs in the Assembly. In fact, the BJP minister in question here, who made that comment referring to Indira Gandhi as Aapki Dadi, has defended the comment, saying it was not done out of disrespect, that elderly in the family are addressed as Dadi, and so the Congress is making this a controversy for no reason. What this has led to, however, is in fact the Rajasthan Assembly witnessing a showdown both inside as well as outside the House. These are images of the protests that are taking place in Jaipur, outside the Assembly. Look at the kind of security also that has been deployed in that entire area, with barricades also being put up. Now, it's expected that the likes of former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, former Deputy CM Sachin Pilot could also be joining the protest, as they have, in fact, the Congress has upped the ante against the BJP government over the Dadi comment on Indira Gandhi. Ugly scenes playing out there outside the Assembly, as you see the Congress workers taking on the cops, trying to breach the barricades and make their way to the Assembly. But because the Assembly is in session, you're seeing the police stopping them outside the building and refusing to let these Congress workers move forward. A political showdown that's now led to a street war in Rajasthan. We'll, in fact, play out for you exactly what the minister said. We'll play out for you in just a bit exactly what the minister has said. His comment referring to Indira Gandhi as Aapki Dadi. But the repercussion of that has been, in fact, huge for the BJP, because you see the kind of protest here. One Congress worker attempting to breach the barricades, being pulled down immediately by security personnel. Looks like it's only a matter of time before scores of these Congress workers are actually also detained because of high security there due to the Assembly proceedings being underway. 6 Congress MLAs for protesting inside the House were suspended, and that in fact has led to protests both inside and outside the Assembly. In the Assembly, we understand that Congress leaders have been on a dharna for more than 50 hours, protesting against the suspension and the comment that was made by the minister here. Avinash Gehlot was the one who referred to Indira Gandhi as Aapki Dadi, which has got the Congress seeing red. They're demanding an apology from him. He, however, has refused to apologize, saying there's no disrespect in the comment, maintaining that the term Dadi is meant out of respect and it's not disrespectful whatsoever to the former Prime Minister. And as we get you all of these images coming in of the protests and the showdown, we will also connect with our reporter on the ground to show you what exactly is happening there and the kind of chaotic scenes playing out in Jaipur right now over that comment made by a BJP minister. Devankur is joining us with more details on this. Devankur, dramatic images on our screens of the Congress protest. We understand there are protests taking place right now as we speak, both inside and outside the assembly.
Absolutely. In fact, right now outside the assembly, you can see large number of Congress MLAs, Congress leaders, Congress workers who have gathered out here to protest against the remark that was made about the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and these workers, these leaders have gathered in large numbers to claim that, till the time the suspension of 6 Congress MLAs is not revoked, till the time the BJP minister Avinash Gehlot, who made those remarks about Indira Gandhi, are not expunged from the proceedings of Rajasthan Assembly, till that time this stalemate will continue. And right now, Akshita, you can see these Congress workers who have gathered about a kilometer away from the State Assembly in such large numbers. They were trying to break the barricades, the multi-level barricading that is there. In fact, there is a large police paraphernalia who has already arrived out here, and the clear instructions to senior police officers is that in no way these Congress workers, leaders should be allowed to be in the vicinity of the Rajasthan Assembly where the budget session was in motion. Right now, several of the Congress leaders are inside the State Assembly as well. In fact, 6 of the suspended Congress MLAs, including the Rajasthan Congress chief Govind Singh Dotasra, are inside the State Assembly. In fact, leader of opposition Tikaram Juli, apart from former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, were also inside the State Assembly. But the scenes outside the State Assembly, about a kilometer away from there, is one of chaos, is one of confrontation, and the Congress leaders and workers clearly wanting to move ahead, but the amount of police, the number of police personnel who are out here clearly mean that it is no easy task. The police is not going to allow them to proceed anywhere within the vicinity of 100 meters from the State Assembly in such large numbers while they are protesting or trying to move towards the Assembly in an aggressive manner. Out here, several of the senior Congress leaders who have already arrived out here, and I would want the camera person to pan the camera and show you the other side and show you how in such large numbers the police are out here, the multi-level barricading that is there. The camera person in fact is perched atop a wall so as to ensure that a bird's eye view can be provided to our viewers of this protest site, where several of the Congress former ministers, leaders from different parts of different districts, including Dausa, Bharatpur, Swai Madhopur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, who have arrived out here. And this is something which really has given the Congress a fresh breath of air, because it feels that it has galvanized its cadre. It has tried to ensure that the workers have come together, and they are now claiming that their former senior leaders, such as the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, these leaders who are greats of the country will not be denigrated by the BJP.
So they've claimed, the Congress has maintained this is an insult of the former Prime Minister.